Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a video based on how to create a Angular project. So for this, first you have to open a terminal. So I'm going to create a new project in this folder, Angular project. So first I go to my desktop, like cd desktop. Then I go the Angular project. Then okay, so Angular project, so I'm going to create a new project in here. Okay, so for the new project you have to write a command. The command is actually ng then new project name. So suppose I'm writing a demo app. Okay, it's very easy. Just press it. It said that would you like to add Angular routing. uh, Press Y and uh, click enter. So you see, now you are going to choose CSS. Press enter, and it's take a little time to create because it installing the package. So just take a little bit of time, and you see the demo folder, actually the demo apps folder actually in here the Angular project. So in the meantime you need to open the Visual Studio Code here. So okay, it's take a little time. Okay, so the package installed successfully. So now create in the file option and go to the new folder and select the demo app and click the open option. Okay, okay, so you see everything is here, like the apps, then index.html, then style.css. So everything is here, like the package .json. So now you are going to work in here. So for running the server you have to go to the demo folder. Okay, so demo apps folder, like then cd demo apps. Now you have to run the project. Okay, so for the run the project you have to write this command ng serve. Okay, so press enter, and it said that press enter. Okay, write y and press enter. Okay, so it's complete. So it compiled successfully. So you see there is a link like the localhost 4200. So you just copy the link and go to your browser and just click here. You see that is your Angular project. Okay, so because initially you see this one, but when you're going to change, like in here in here, so this one should be gone. Okay, so you can edit your project in here, like app component html, and you have to and you can also create so many component. In the next video I'm going to show you how to create the component in the Angular. Okay, so that's for today, and Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.